time for some fresh air.
Much better. Come on, little ones, plenty for everyone. It tickles.
सोचेगी क्या तू मिट्टी